Welcome to this numismatic monograph on the Peru Inti, the hyperinflationary currency used from 1985 to 1991. This video offers a comprehensive examination for collectors, historians, and students of monetary policy. We begin with Chapter 1, covering the economic foundations and collapse. We will look at the geopolitical and fiscal context of the Inti's brief but chaotic lifespan. The Inti, meaning sun in Quechua, was introduced on February 1, 1985, replacing the Sol de Oro at a conversion rate of 1,000 to 1. It was intended to stabilize the economy, but political instability led to rapid devaluation. This visual representation shows the conversion. 1,000 soles de oro were equal to 1 inti. Despite initial pegs to commodities, rapid devaluation quickly followed. The coinage of 1985 to 1991 had initial issues in brass and copper nickel, from 1 to 5 intis. As inflation soared, higher denominations of 10, 20, and 50 intis were quickly introduced. These high-inflation coins often have short circulation lives. The 1985 1 Inti coin, a collector's staple, features Admiral Miguel Grau, a hero of the War of the Pacific. Early mintages and proof-like strikes are highly sought after by numismatists. The Central Reserve Bank used national heroes on Inti notes to foster national pride during economic distress. Admiral Miguel Grau appeared on the 10 Inti note and 1 Inti coin. Other key figures included Ricardo Palma, Andres A. Caceres, and high-denominator. Admiral Miguel Grau, the Gentleman of the Seas, is featured here. We also see other key figures and their corresponding denominations, such as the 10,000 intis note. The hyperinflationary surge led to the issuance of banknotes up to 5 million intis in 1991, one of the highest denominations in world history. For consumers, this meant huge stacks of notes were needed for simple daily purchases. The mid-tier 100 intis note featured beautiful engravings. The peak was the 5 million intis note. The harsh reality was the enormous volume of cash required to buy essentials, like bread and milk. In 1990 alone, peak annual inflation reached a staggering 2.1 million%. The Inti lost its purchasing power almost hourly. This period, known as the Inti Million era, saw notes released up to 5 million denominations. This table summarizes the monetary transitions between 1985 and 1991. The total devaluation resulted in 1 nuevo sol effectively replacing 1 billion soles de oro. For collectors, strategies include focusing on uncirculated intis, looking for replacement notes issued by the Lima Mint, and assembling a complete set of denominations from 10 to 5 million intis to visualize the economic collapse. Despite the economic turmoil, the Inti currency remains a masterpiece of Peruvian engraving, celebrating the nation's historical heroes, coat of arms, and cultural resilience. Thank you for watching this video.